In this video, we will show you how to create AI sound effect with Wondershare Filmora. The newest version of Wondershare Filmora has the ability to create AI sound effect. This feature is very great to create some inspirational video. Using AI video, we can easy to create anything that relate into the video with the relate audio. How to do that? First, open your Wondershare Filmora. Make sure you have the latest version of Wondershare Filmora here. Then you can click New Project to create new project. After that, you can import the video. I will import the video with the sound. Okay. In here, I will drag my video. And if you can see, I will play this video and this video has no sound. You can see here. Okay. Now I want to create the AI sound effect and make this video more attractive. How to do that? First, to create AI sound effect, you can go to audio menu. Okay. Then select AI sound effect. In here, you can convert the text into the sound that you describe here. For example, let's generate sound of water flowing in the forest. After that, you can click generate. Now, the Wondershare Filmora will generate some sound effect. Actually, in here, you can setting how much sound effect they generate by AI that appear in here. Later, we will show you how to do that. As you can see, almost 100%. Voila. Now, there is 3 sound of water. For example, let's play. Can you hear? Okay, let's play the second. And number 3. Okay, I will get the one and put in here. Now, the sound effect will download by Wondershare Filmora here. You can see. Okay, the number second that I just said, you can settings how the number of sound effect will appear. Okay, for example, I just need 2, so don't too much. We spend the credit of AI. Okay, then for example in here, generate. I will generate more AI sound effect. Okay, generate sound of rocket. Boom. Now should be just to list on this section. With this easily method to create sound effect, actually we don't need again to find any sound because we can easily describe the sound effect that we want to create the attractive video. Yes, I will put this one. Now let's play our. Okay, and that's all how you can create AI sound effect using Wondershare Filmora. And this is very great to create much more video with the attractive one. Hope this video helpful for you.